All right. Acumatica consultants out there, have you ever been in this situation? Your client needs a customization that just seems impossible.
Oh, yeah.
Like they want to edit a user-defined field, a
Oh.
UDF, on a document that's already marked complete.
Hmm.
And you're thinking, wait a minute, Acumatica doesn't let you do that.
Right.
It can be a real head scratcher.
Definitely.
But guess what?
Right.
There's a solution, and
Yeah.
we're going to dive deep into it today.
Awesome.
We've got Salman with us, a functional consultant from Tiana Solutions.
Hey, everyone.
He's got 5 years of experience under his belt, and he's tackled at least 10
At least 10.
unique Acumatica customization scenarios. So he knows what he's talking about.
I've seen a few things.
All right, Salman, so tell us about this client request that had you thinking outside the box.
So this client, they needed to be able to edit a UDF
Okay.
on a shipment document, even after it's marked complete.
Complete.
Yeah.
Now, for our listeners who might not be as deep in the weeds, can you explain
Sure.
what does complete actually mean in Acumatica?
So in Acumatica, when a document like a sales order or a shipment is marked complete, it basically means the main process for that document is done. It's finalized.
Okay, so it's like the final stamp of approval.
Exactly. And to protect the data and prevent accidental changes, Acumatica locks down certain fields, including those UDFs.
Got it. So you can't just go back and tinker with things once it's complete.
Right.
Makes sense. But this client needed to... So how'd you pull it off? Where did you even start?
Acumatica's workflow editor is like a magic wand.
Hmm.
It lets you customize how documents move through their different stages,
From like open to pending approval to complete.
Exactly. And within that editor, you have these things called state properties.
State properties? What are those?
They're like the rule book for each stage.
Oh, I see.
So I went into the workflow editor, found the state properties for the complete state, and there it was, the UDF was set to disabled.
Uh-huh. So it was hiding in plain sight.
Pretty much. All I had to do was uncheck that disabled box, save the changes, and boom.
The UDF was editable even in the complete state.
Exactly.
That's brilliant. It's like a hidden superpower in Acumatica.
You could say that.
I bet other consultants are going to be thanking you for this one.
Hopefully it helps someone out there.
It's a real time saver.
Yeah.
And imagine the look on your clients' faces when you deliver this kind of solution.
They're usually pretty happy.
It's all about going above and beyond, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Now, Salman works with Tiana Solutions. They're the largest Acumatica services partner out there.
That's right.
They help partners and customers with implementations, customizations, the whole 9 yards.
If it's Acumatica, we can probably handle it.
So, Salman, why should our listeners reach out to Tiana if they're facing similar Acumatica challenges?
We've seen it all at Tiana. We've got a team that really understands the platform inside and out.
Okay.
So whether you're stuck on a workflow, need help with an integration, or have some really specific business logic, we can guide you through it.
Sounds like you guys are the Acumatica whisperers.
We try our best. And if you're ever in need, give us a call at 678-910-2774.
Fantastic. This has been a really eye-opening deep dive, Salman. Thank you for sharing your expertise.
Happy to be here.
And for all you Acumatica consultants out there, remember, sometimes the solutions are closer than you think. Just got to know where to look. And if you ever get stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to the experts at Tiana Solutions.
We're always here to help.
Keep exploring, keep customizing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in Acumatica.
Absolutely.
Until next time.
See you later.